This is what I would do if I had 45 minutes to do my makeup for a date. Moisturize my face to add hydration. Mattify my face to control oil. Apply foundation. Spray with a hydrating spray for easy blend. Dab and blend properly. Blush to add color and warmth to the cheekbone. Apply concealer to highlight. Blend in all products properly to achieve a flawless look. It will save you more time. Set highlighted parts with pressed powder. Ensure to look up to avoid creasing. Apply powder all over my face to set other parts. Sculpt my nose for more definition. Spray again with my setting mist and allow to dry. Draw and highlight my brows. Apply translucent powder to bake under my eyes. Apply dark eyeshadow at the outer part of my eyes to smoke it out. Apply a pigmented shiny eyeshadow on my eyelid to give it a little shine. Use a dark shadow under my eyes to open my eyes more. Line my waterline with a black pencil. Dust off setting powder under my eyes and retouch with powder. We are running out of time. Wipe off my lips and apply my favorite lip combo. Ensure to smack and blend properly to avoid harsh lines. And I always go in with my lip gloss. Apply highlighter for extra glow. Definitely apply a mascara and fix my lashes. And we're done. Like and follow for more. How would you rate my look for this date? Am I going to be stealing someone's heart? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.